Okay, let's make an email notification based on when a Microsoft form is submitted. I don't know why this isn't a default feature in Microsoft Forms, but with the power of Power Automate, we can make this happen. So I'm going to start in Forms first, just to find which one I'm talking about, because you got to know the name of the form. I want to look at this Presenter Prep Checklist Quiz form, and so I'm going to go to Power Automate and tell it to look for that. So I'm going to go to Power Automate. I guess that's the cheap way. The correct way, I guess, would be go to office.com, sign in, type in your password 3 times, click this little waffle app thing, and then look for Power Automate, which is the same thing as what I'm looking at on the other tab. There we go. Hello. Hi, I'm Kyle. So we'll hit create. And we're going to do an automated cloud flow. We'll give it a name. Conference, presenter, what's it called? Quiz confirmation. It's not super important because it's just when I come back to it, that's what it's called. And what do I want to do? And I don't know, but it knows when a new response is submitted. Yes, that's what I want to create something off of. So I'm going to hit create. It already had the forms icon on it. And so there we go. So when a new response is submitted to what form? Well, it's called Presenter Prep. Presenter Prep. If this is your first time logging in, it may have you sign in to forms again and again. But then once you're signed in, it will remember that this is your same account. And you want it to do something. So when that form is submitted, what do you want it to do? I want it to notify me via email. So I'm going to not actually click mail. I'm actually going to type in Outlook. Maybe it was mail. Okay, here we go. Office 365 Outlook. Send email, V2. Let's click that one. To myself. You can include others. So I'm thinking my version isn't giving me all the things because online it was like you can select, like certain characteristics of the form or questions within the form, and those will be here, like name. I'm surely I asked for name or email, but those aren't popping up for me. So if they work for you, great. It's not working for me. So I instead will just link back to the form. So I'm just going to say new response on presenter prep form. And actually, I'm just going to put a link to this page, copy this, so that way whenever a new form comes in, the email will just take me right here to where I can see what the new response was. View the response at there. And I think it would like me to format this as a link. I'll do so. There we go. You can there are fancier options that you can CC someone, blind carbon copy somebody. You can add attachments if you had files uploaded into it. I don't think I can get that to work because, again, my questions aren't showing up over here. So I'm going to leave all that alone. So we can just close all that up. There we go. Name, subject, body of the email, and then hit save. And so now the next time, wait, we're not done yet. We have to turn it on. I'm very new to Power Automate. So, okay, now notice that turning it on is not here. So let's go back a page. I swore that it was up here earlier. Let's say. Okay, we'll wait. Okay, turn off. Okay, so it's on. Great. The last one I did was not on automatically, so this one, the way I did it, turned it on. So we're good to go. So next time someone fills out this form, I will be notified via email. Pretty cool.